Have you ever wanted to hire someone from another country? If so, you may have heard of Deel. Deel is a global hiring platform that makes it easy to hire and manage remote employees from anywhere in the world. But what is the purpose of Deel? And how can it benefit your business? In this video, we will be discussing the purpose of Deel and how it can be used to benefit your business. We will also be taking a look at some of the pros and cons of using Deel. What is Deel? Deel is a global hiring platform that makes it easy to hire and manage remote employees from anywhere in the world. Deel provides a range of services, including payroll. Deel takes care of all of your payroll needs, including taxes and benefits. Compliance. Deel ensures that your company is compliant with all applicable labor laws. HR. Deel provides HR support, including onboarding, performance management, and employee relations. Benefits. Deel offers a range of benefits to your employees, including health insurance, dental insurance, and life insurance. How can Deel benefit your business? There are a number of benefits to using Deel, including access to a global talent pool. Deel gives you access to a pool of talented employees from all over the world. This can be a great way to find the right people for the job, regardless of where they live. Reduced costs. Deel can help you reduce your costs by eliminating the need to set up and maintain a local office. Simplified compliance. Deel takes care of all of your compliance needs, so you don't have to worry about making sure that you are in compliance with all applicable laws. Improved employee satisfaction. Deel offers a range of benefits to your employees, which can help to improve employee satisfaction. Pros and cons of using Deel. Pros: access to a global talent pool. Reduced costs. Simplified compliance. Improved employee satisfaction. Cons: Deel can be more expensive than hiring employees directly. Deel may not be suitable for all businesses. Deel is a great option for businesses that are looking to hire and manage remote employees from anywhere in the world. Deel offers a range of benefits, including access to a global talent pool, reduced costs, simplified compliance, and improved employee satisfaction. If you are interested in learning more about how Deel can benefit your business, please visit our website or contact us today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.